Now that is one very poorly Nissan Navara. Come inside and I'll show you what's wrong. That noise that you heard there is what we call big end bearing failure for the Nissan Navara D22. I've taken the sump off and took this engine out earlier. If you can hear that, that's because the bearing's collapsed, and that's metal to metal, and that's where the knocking noise. If you don't stop your engine immediately, what happens is the conrod is made of cast iron. If you have a look in there, you can just see that crack there. The weak spot is on the oil hole, and then obviously it splits the conrod in half, and it sends it through the side of the cylinder block. Now if you hear that knocking noise, get in contact as soon as you possibly can. We stock all engine parts and we do a full repair service for you. If you can give us a bell on 01274 663 999, and we're here to help.